Hi there, Dr. Christel chiming in. Today, we're gonna talk about 5 mistakes you might be making with your underwear. So listen up, your underwear might be giving you grief. 1, are your underwear too tight? I'm looking at you, shapewear, compression panties, and panties that are just too small. While we might like shapewear because it compresses and shapes our body to fit into clothes, we should be demanding that clothes are designed to fit us, not the other way around. Wearing undergarments that are too tight can decrease blood flow to your intimate parts, which can cause chafing, rashes, and can trap moisture, which can lead to yeast infections. If you wear your underwear too tight and too low, it can also aggravate urinary incontinence. In addition, continual use of tight undergarments can cause nerve pinches, acid reflux, and in extreme cases, like corseting or waist training, can literally shift your organs. When it comes to your underwear, too tight is not right. 2, do you use scented detergent? Look, we all want to smell good. I totally get it. But irritated skin and contact dermatitis have become the most common irritation for the skin over the last 2 decades. Why is this? What's changed? Well, synthetics took over in the 1970s, and what we found out is that synthetics don't release odors after you wash them. So the laundry industry invented scented detergent and those little beads that you can throw in your wash. As it masks the smell of bacteria and sweat and odors, we now know that the #1 cause of contact dermatitis is scented detergent and scented dryer sheets. And the skin tissue in your private parts is very sensitive and it should be treated as such. Experts advise using dye-free and perfume-free when washing your underwear. 3, are your underwear made of synthetic fabric? Most of us all know the benefits of wearing cotton underwear, and if you don't, we made a whole video about it, link in the description. But there are also quite a few downsides of wearing synthetic fabrics. Synthetic fabrics like spandex and nylon can trap moisture and not allow your skin to breathe. The trapped and retained moisture can lead to soggy skin, like a pruned finger after a long bath, which can cause irritation, rashes, and yeast infection. Not to mention, it takes at least 40 years for synthetics to break down. Cotton, it takes 2 weeks to naturally break down. 4, we've got problems if you're not changing your underwear after working out. Bacteria love to multiply in warm, wet areas. It's unlikely to cause any internal infections, but it's common for individuals who might not change their clothes or their underwear after working out to develop a rash or intertrigo. This most commonly occurs in the armpit, underneath the breast, and in between the thighs. If you're prone to sweating during the day, wearing natural moisture-wicking material can be very helpful in preventing infections. And be sure to change your underwear after you exercise. 5, how long do you keep your underwear for? We all have that underwear that we know we should get rid of, but we don't because it can be really difficult to find comfortable underwear. But after fabric has become worn out or has holes in it, it'll sag and lose its shape, and that can cause rubbing, chafing, and it can also develop rashes. Not to mention, it can be really uncomfortable. Also, if you've worn your underwear thin, which naturally happens over time, the moisture management properties will probably not exist. So if your underwear are falling apart or they're too thin, it's time to say goodbye and get a new pair. Bonus tip! For all genders, we recommend wearing a fresh pair of mid-rise, soft cotton, fitted, but not too tight, undies every day and after excessive sweating. But at night, doctors actually recommend going commando to, let things air out. But we'll leave that one up to you. Thanks so much for watching 5 mistakes you might be making with your underwear. Are you making any of these? Do you love your underwear? Or does your underwear drive you crazy? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to like and share with your friends, and stay tuned for more fun-filled videos. We'll catch you on the flippity flip.
In case you didn't know and you don't follow us on social media, which obviously you should if you're not anyway, but we have tank tops for sale. They are natural cotton, reversible layering tanks, and you can find them on our website at kadevos.com.
In sizes small to 6L. 1. That wasn't good.
No, that was confusing.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Shut up about the sun.
Sun?
It's an office joke.
Who says it?
Gabe.
Oh, that is so obscure.
No. Scented dryer sheets. I'm so sorry. This is gonna be one-hit wonder.
I believe you.
And change those underwear after you work out.
We are an underwear company.
Yeah, we are.
In case anyone was wondering.
Is that too much to ask for?
Was that weird? Did that sound weird?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Can you use that in a sentence?
Yeah, so like your house is really dirty.
Mm-hmm.
British people will be like, this place is a tip.
Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks for watching.
See ya.
Bye.